Now you'd like to open a sound file in Praat. So to do so, like here, you've got the sound file here with its name. So you do read from file, open, and then you find your, well, here you go. So you've got it here. It should be blue. It should be blue now. And then if you do view and edit, you should be able to see this sound file. You can, sorry about the noise, it's awful. You can zoom in, zoom out, and then you can move around the file with this little cursor, with your cursor here. Here you go. Now if you want to select a specific section, click and drag, it becomes pink, and then click cell, and then you can see it. To leave, zoom out, zoom out. One thing is to press play, press tab.
He had an experience of moderately dirty weather. The term dirty is applied to the weather.
And to stop it, press escape. Tab.
He had an experience of
and then escape to stop playing the file.